Down that way in Florida City, Terrell Fournay is in position for us. He has found several power lines down and outages becoming a real issue. Terrell.
Well, here in Florida City, those strong wind gusts continue, and in the roadways, there is still a lot of debris. You can see some downed tree limbs, and in some cases, some downed trees as well. We took a drive just over there. Some traffic signs are down. They are snapped at the base, and this, though, is the most dangerous thing we've seen. It's even too close to get near, but there is a utility pole in the middle of the road with transformers and power lines still down. This is the entrance to a Burger King, obviously blocked by that very dangerous situation. And this pole that you see leaning to the side, it is snapped at the base and could still come down in these very dangerous winds. So that is why everyone really says that you should really stay inside of your home. It is too early because these winds are still ripping through the area to go out and survey your damage. You really don't want to do that until at least Monday when this storm initially passes. We've even taken a drive through this gas station on the other side over there, and the plastic that was protecting those gas pumps, most of them ripped off. But certainly a lot of trees, a lot of down power lines, a lot of hazards out in the road. This is the situation that we are seeing here in Florida City, where a lot of people still are without power. Back to you guys.
All right, Terrell, be safe out there. Thank you.